Here I have Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on this icon here, and here you can change aspect ratio so easily. So you have like 3:4, 9:16 aspect ratios. This camera is so dark. Okay, so you have like 3:4, 9:16, 1:1, or full screen aspect ratio. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.